Hello, I'm Crypto Diamond, and today's video is on RobotEra, a robot-themed NFT game that promises that the players can create anything they can think of. But before I get the video started, I do have a quick word from today's sponsor. And today's video is sponsored by the Ridge Wallet, because not only is crypto security a key priority, but so is your personal security. And the Ridge Wallet offers this in all 30 designs, including carbon fiber and bird titanium, with RFID blocking technology that'll keep digital pickpocketers out of your wallet, keeping your money and your ID secure. Also, it has 50,000 5-star reviews, so over 50,000 people have already tried this product and loved it. And the Ridge company believes in this product so much, they'll give you 99 days to run with it. And after 99 days, if you are not satisfied with this product, go ahead and return it for a full refund. And the wallet and the key case come with a lifetime warranty as well. The materials are very durable, very hard to break. So the lifetime warranty is definitely something I like in there as well, because most wallets just don't come with that. And if you want to see compared to a traditional soft wallet that you normally get on Christmas, you can see that the sleek design is much smaller and easier to fit in much more places. And the small size, don't be fooled, it does hold up to 12 cards. So I have just as many cards in this small wallet as I used to have in this wallet. You can also use the money clip or a money band that comes with this as well. I prefer the money clip, I just think it looks a lot more stylish. I like that it's easy to access my cards. It is really easy to open and go through your cards as well. It doesn't look as hard as you think it would. It really is easy to go through and manage your cards within this wallet. In the key case, I also like because I can put my keys and my gym passes in there as well, and I don't have to worry about my gym pass getting creased or messed up within the key case. And it also offers the key ring that you can attach to the key case if you want to put more keys on there, or in my case, my flash drive, which I like to carry everywhere anyways. And if you like what you see here, click on the link below, ridge.com/cryptodiamond to save up to 40% off before December 22nd. Once again, if you want one of these amazing gifts before Christmas season, click on the link below, ridge.com/cryptodiamond to save up to 40% off. And it's good until December 22nd. All right, now that you've all got to see about the Ridge wallet, I pulled you over here to the RobotEra.io homepage, where you can go ahead and start buying the pre-sale token. So this is a new project, and as of right now, it is in pre-sale, so the game has not launched yet. If you want to buy it now, you go ahead and click on that Buy Now tab, and it takes you right to the page where you need to buy the coin. I ran across this gem today. I was trying to find a project that was audited and had a white paper that I could let you guys see that would involve some pretty cool gaming concepts. And this is what I found, and I really liked what I saw, and I read about it. I did highlight some things in the audit. They aren't major, but just some minor things for you guys who are going to want to look for when you're looking into future crypto investments and projects as well. So let's scroll down to what RobotEra is. So you can create, share, operate, explore, and trade. RobotEra is building a sandbox-like planet rebuilding metaverse, where you'll become a robot, acquire resources from the planet, manage your own land, create robot companions, and participate in the creation of the world. Here there is freedom to create everything you can imagine and start a new era with other robots. RobotEra provides a shared multiverse that connects with other worlds, opening theme parks, concerts, museums, and much more. Create, share, operate, explore, and trade in RobotEra with numerous NFT communities. So that's one thing that caught my eye, was the numerous NFT communities, which means that there are going to be other NFT projects that are able to cooperate with this game. And I do see that going a long way, kind of like cross-platform gaming with PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. But instead of there's different systems, you're going to have different NFT communities, bringing a large community together and creating kind of like an MMO experience. And this is something I really see going a long way. And that's something I really want to invest in when I see a game as well. So here is the breakdown of the RobotEra gameplay. I do believe there's a little spelling error there. I'll let them know about it. But RobotEra gameplay. So here is their breakdown. Participate in creating buildings or NFTs. Use the editor to create land or robots. Explore special spaces and find rewards. Participate in quest challenges in the central city and you can win rewards that way as well. Submit original works for display in museums. This is one concept I do like because I've seen it before in Metaverse, other DeFi projects where they actually put pieces of art on the wall. You click on it, or you just touch it when you're there in Metaverse and bring it down. You can get a good look at that piece of art and either purchase it or put it back up on the wall. I don't know if that's where they're going with this, but I have seen that done in action before. Another cool thing is participate in concerts and events to build an interactive ecosystem. And I see a lot of projects going this way, kind of like Animal Concerts, trying to build, or Decentraland, where they want to build concerts within a metaverse based on blockchain technology. And I see that one going a long way as well. And it all comes to this, where it builds a new metaverse works with other NFT communities. So that is a great concept. And then the one thing with the game is the robots. This is the main character of the game. You do need a robot to participate in a lot of what they have to offer. So robots are RobotEra's primary NFTs, and the players will be incarnated as robots. These characters belong to 7 different factions, each with different attributes, advantages, and holding the robot NFTs unlock many benefits as well. So here's some of the benefits you get from holding these NFT. You can earn rewards just for holding them. You can mine minerals from the land, build components, and craft your own robot companions, which end up being NFTs that you can sell. Eligible for airdrops, which are free things and tokens you have just for holding that NFT in your wallet. And it is based on ERC20, so this is an Ethereum blockchain game as well. And it also gives you DAO rights, and what that means is you have voting rights within the project. So holding this NFTs lets you vote on decisions or where the project's going to go in the future. And from what they show here on the homepage, I see 7 different robot models. They kind of remind me of Lego Gundams, but I love the way they look because the graphic and details, they're still there, even though it has that Lego style or Minecraft style to it. And that reminds me right there of a Gundam right off the bat, just looking at the head. And the colors just scream. I just love the colors too. Like, they are really detailed NFT characters that I'm seeing right here. And for pixelated NFTs, I do like the way they look. And here's the land. So RobotEra has 7 continents, all made up of different land. Each piece of land is a unique NFT. And holding a robot NFT will give you a chance to mint on this land as well. So having these robot NFTs, I do believe I read somewhere in the white paper that some people get an airdrop of land for holding the first set of robot NFTs. But the land, you can also do what you want on it as well. You can modify your land and create it to the way you want it to look. And you can still sell it as an NFT. So that's one thing that I found different compared to other NFT projects, is you can modify your NFTs and still sell them after you modify them, and the next person go ahead and modify them as part of the game. And I see this going a long way with creativity and just uniting the game front. I just love it. It is a great concept. And if you want a breakdown of the operation of how the land works, it is broken down right here on the homepage for you guys pretty well. You still want to read the white paper, but their homepage did a great job of breaking down the entire project, I'm not going to lie. And here's the one part that I find really cool is the robot companion, because you can find the components and build these companions and then later off sell them as NFTs or just trade them for free. And it has an editing program as well. So it has the RobotEra editor, which allows you to edit the robot NFTs and the land to the way you want it to look. I don't know if there's a cost involved in editing. I didn't really get that far into it, but I just like the fact that you can. So hopefully later on in the future, they'll be a little bit more descriptive of what you can and can't do with the land and how that actually works. And here's the roadmap of where the project's going. Right now we're in Q4 of 2022. So these should be the last 4 things to be completed before the year is over. And right now they are in the token pre-sale. So that would be the private sale of the Taro token. And the Taro token is the native token of the project. So we're going to go up here and click on how to buy. But before we do that, you guys can see the team on the project right here. One cool thing you want to look for in every project is the team. Sometimes they have actual profile pictures and stuff, but it's nice to see the team on the page because it just gives it backing and confirmation that there's actually people there. All right, so let's click on how to buy. So it does require MetaMask with an ERC20, so you want your Ethereum network on the MetaMask, but MetaMask already comes on Ethereum as soon as you get one anyways. And then it tells you how to buy. You're going to buy Tara with ETH. Obviously, looks like that pre-sale is over. Then it comes down, and here we are. So the total supply of Taro is going to be 1,800,000 tokens, and the symbol is TARO for if you want to look on it in future exchanges. But that total supply, it sounds like a lot. It's really not. There's other projects with similar supplies, if not more, that are still around, quite a few cents or dollars with that supply. So don't be fooled by the total supply, because that's not always going to be the circulating supply either. I want to read more into that in the future as well, but as of right now, that looks really good. If you want to read the white paper, they already have the link right there on the webpage and right up here at the top as well. So that's one thing I like to see as well, is the white paper is all over the place. They don't try to hide it from you. And another thing that caught my eyes, it's powered by Amazon Web Services, Ethereum, Trust Wallet, and MetaMask. And seeing the Amazon name in blockchain is something I'm really like, because I'm seeing it more and more in the blockchain world. So we'll have to see where this goes with Amazon Web Services, because I don't know if they're going to start having their own crypto or what, but they're definitely getting involved in more crypto-based projects. And then here is the white paper. If you want to read everything or anything about this project, it's going to be right here. This document will be posted in the description of this video when it's online for your viewing. And it goes over everything, including the story of the robots, the continents, how to work the land, and where to buy the NFTs as well, and the tokenomics. So for those of you who want to know more about the tokenomics, it's going to be broken down right here with the pre-sale 1, pre-sale 2, and institutional investors, and the roadmap. So this is a great thing that they have on the web as well, that they're also on Coin Sniper, and you can read about them right here on Coin Sniper as well. As of right now, their popularity is number 12 on the watch list. And finally, the audit, which was done by Shark Team. It was a good audit, and they did pass. I just had one concern that I highlighted for you guys here. Where is it? There's the pass. You can see that they passed. Here it is. It is ID1, a centralization risk. I've never seen this one before, but it doesn't show up as a major risk. It doesn't show that they're going to rug pull your money. But with the FTX incident, I figured you guys just might want to know. Something you want to think about in the back of your mind before you invest. I'm not saying not to invest in this project, but these are things you want to look for in any crypto project before you put your money into it, just so you know the risk and the benefit of what you're investing in. And here's a description of what a centralization risk is, because I didn't know what it was myself, but now that I went over it, I just want to let you guys know whatever happened with FTX just for future, so you know how to weigh the benefits, pros and cons of your investment here. So here's the description. The owner is a centralized high authority account. Once the private key is leaked, it will pose a serious threat to the entire project. In addition, the issuance of Taro token is completely controlled by one account. If the private key or the account is lost or leaked, the entire project will suffer a catastrophic loss. And you don't want that to happen, because that just happened to FTX. I'm not saying this project's going to do the same thing or go the same route, but that does leave them open, because other people are going to be looking at these audits and they're going to have the same questions I have right now. But I'm pretty sure they're going to be working on this to get that fixed anyways, because more people are leaning more towards decentralization since the FTX incident anyways. And here's the recommendation. Properly keep the private key of the high privileged account to ensure that the security of the private key, and try to avoid the loss, leakage, theft, etc. of the private key as much as possible. So pretty much put that thing in a safe, and put that safe in a safe, and make sure that nobody can ever get it, is what they're basically saying on this audit. Other than that, everything else looks great. The numbers look great. I would definitely say this is a safer project to invest into. I'm not saying you're not going to lose or gain money, but it is not going to be a rug pull project from what I can tell. If you have any questions about the project here at RobotEra, you can reach out to them on their social services as well, via Telegram, Twitter, or Discord. Discord is a great place to meet anybody in the crypto space. A lot of projects on there. It's just a great place to be, and it lets you know what's going on with the project when things are happening. Also, if you have any questions for me, reach out to me on the Crypto Diamond Discord, Crypto Diamond Twitter, or the Crypto Diamond Telegram. All the links will be put into the video when it's posted online for your viewing. Everybody, have a